As you will have noticed, to coincide with the information on the infographic, we have added a timeline. But before telling you more about it, I'd like to ask you a favor. On the infographic, we have added a timeline. This shows which order the stages of the process should occur and whether they are referring to the past or future. We've made it even more user-friendly by adding a dotted line which runs all the way to the bottom of the page to signify the present moment. So, everything to the right of the line refers to the future, while everything to the left concerns past events. This makes things much easier to follow. Okay, cool. Let's see how the table works. When it comes to solving a business task in the realm of data science, the two most important areas are the data and the application of data science to the data. But why do we need data in the first place? There are two types of data, traditional and big data. While different, the role in the business is the same. We will explore them separately in more detail later, but the important thing to remember is that data-driven decisions require well-organized and relevant raw data stored in a digital format, data which can be processed and transformed into meaningful and useful information. This is essential for companies when planning and decision-making. Data is the foundation. It is the material on which you base your analysis. Without data, the decision-maker wouldn't be able to test their decisions and ensure they have taken the right course of action. Great! So, you've got your data, but what to do with it? Well, that depends on what you want to achieve. Let's say you want to use it to better understand your firm's performance in the past. The data you have describes what happened in the past. It is the job of the business intelligence analyst to study the numbers and explain where and why some things went well and others not so well. While having the business context in mind, the business intelligence analyst will present the data in the form of reports and dashboards. She translates raw data into metrics and visualizations which show past trends and characteristics of the business. Business intelligence is a serious job, right? Like a translator studying ancient hieroglyphics, without them there to find patterns and stories within the pictures, they will stay seemingly meaningless. But what else is needed once the patterns have been interpreted? You can forecast potential future outcomes. The application of any term related to the column's traditional methods or machine learning can be said to belong to the field of predictive analytics. While the goal of traditional methods and machine learning are essentially the same, and techniques can overlap, there is a difference between the two. Traditional methods relate to traditional data. They were designed prior to the existence of big data, where the technology simply wasn't as advanced as it is today. They involve applying statistical approaches to create predictive models. If you want to dig deeper, however, or tackle huge amounts of big data utilizing unconventional methods or AI, then you can predict behavior in unprecedented ways using machine learning techniques and tools. Both techniques are useful for different purposes. Traditional methods are better suited for traditional data, while machine learning will have better results when it comes to tackling big data. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you in the next one.